Oh wow, it is awesome.
Told
nice.
you. Look at all the people.
Wow.
Okay.
I'm gonna get warm. Are these edible?
You can eat anything you see. Good. Andrea, stop crowding people. Andrea is climbing the rock mountain. Andrea again, climbing. She's going up the...
We're not in LA.
Shake that ass, shake that ass.
That's pretty.
Thank you. Andrea, you can't stop here.
Why?
Because you're blocking traffic.
You're blocking traffic. I'm out of people's way.
Andrea is almost at the top. She's really worked hard. And she's getting kind of annoyed because she's not into the camera. I'd give her the camera, however, she's not very good with the camera. Well, I just apparently somebody's upset.
Where are you going? Oh, don't walk too fast. Guess I gotta work on my cinematography here.
Warning. Extreme danger.
Yep. And your workout Thursday.
There's stranger danger.
Stranger danger.
It's pretty. It's really pretty out there.
Carson, Sean, I have a cookie for you at home.
I want a cookie.
I can get a cookie.